Okay, so in this next little clip, we're going to have a look at local operations, and we're going to see how, by unmerging solid bodies, you can actually assist and change the appearance of the finished part. So if we start off by just popping in a little shell command on the underside there, 4 mil. So we shell that, and you can see it shells right up inside the part. Okay, so you can see. That. So you can see it actually kind of creates a shell right the way through the part. Okay. However, if we wanted just the shell on the base, roll back here. I'll actually roll back to the very start, to the base plate, just to show you how this is actually produced. So when you're kind of producing it, if you roll back here, you see this base plate was made first, and then when we stuck in the vertical plate, if I right click on the feature in the vertical plate, you can see that both of them were merged. So let's unmerge that result. So just come back in and edit it and unmerge it. And now we've got two solid bodies, the base and the vertical plate. So we've got those two, and they're just kind of stuck sitting on top of each other, but they are actually no longer consumed by one another. So if I come down to my circular boss, you can see that's part of this vertical plate. So if I right click and edit the feature in that and unmerge that result even, you can see we can kind of go through these and unmerge all of these. And if I do the rib under, so this is a rib under here, if I right click on that and maybe unmerge that as well. So we've got, look, we've got 4 separate solid bodies now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then a D-hole, which kind of goes through there. That'd be enough with that. Lower cutout, lower holes, and if we pop down to the shell, that's what look, and you can see, look now, the shell only affects, because we selected the face on this base plate, the shell, you can see now, only affects that. Okay, but it's all sort of separate parts. So all well and good, like we've kind of done that, and we've created our shell, and we've got our shell exactly as we want it now, but we've got 4 separate parts. So how do we get it back into one solid body? Well, using this combine command, we can actually select all of our solid bodies, so we can add them all together. So bodies to combine, if we select all of those parts and combine them, you can see now our solid bodies fold has disappeared, and if you look, we're now one solid body again, but our shell is still exactly as we want it. Okay, now that combine one, I don't remember where that is, in here, commands, and features, and here it is down here at the bottom, combine to 2 or more solid bodies, and it's called combine, but you can actually, as you can see from in that, you can actually do a few different things in it, which we'll be kind of looking at in a few other examples. So that's one kind of used for, if you like, unmerging solid bodies and then combining them in again.